Hi everyone, my name is Ekyong and today I'm going to share with you another cryptocurrency basics. So we're going to touch more about the top 5 crypto categories. This is dated August 2021. The usual disclaimer, so do pause the video if you need to read it before continuing with the video itself. So I get these top 5 categories from this website called CoinGecko.com, and inside CoinGecko.com, when you click on the different coin categories, you're able to see the full list. There's close to be about 20 to 30 different categories, but we're going to touch on the top 5. We'll start off by sharing with you the number one or the top market cap, which is the stable coins. So what is a stable coin? Stable coin are coins that are pegged to a more stable asset like the US dollar, the euro, or the British pound. As such, they actually minimize volatility because they're pegged to a certain fiat currency. They're not to be confused with any of the central bank digital currency or CBDCs. This is because the central bank CBDCs are released by the central bank of a country, while stable coins are released by private companies. As such, most of them actually come with different implementations, liquidity, risk, and acceptance. So I'm going to share with you a little bit more about the market cap in this 1 year since 2020 to today. And we can see that USDT or the Tether, USD coin, USDC itself, and BUSD are very low usage or low market cap. But in 1 year on, these coins have actually grown massively in terms of market cap. One reason is that due to the rise of the cryptocurrencies, many investors are buying up all these stable coins to get their hands involved into the cryptocurrency itself. At the same time, they're able to sell their cryptocurrencies when the markets are going down into stable coins so that they won't lose to the volatility. They're able to lock in the profits or cut their losses. So the top 3 stable coins based on their market cap are Tether or USDT, USD coin or known as USDC, or Binance USD or BUSD in short. So in USDT is issued by a company called Tether, while USDC is issued by a company called Circle, and BUSD is issued by a company called Binance Coin. You can Google them and their companies to find out more about their issuers. Next we have is exchange tokens. So what are these exchange tokens? They're actually cryptos that are actually native to an crypto exchange. Usually these tokens are launched by an exchange and they can have many varied reasons and incentives. Often these exchange tokens are meant to increase an exchange liquidity while they incentivize trading activity. So by giving a discount when you trade, you and pay the fees using their exchange coin. Some of these coins they actually use to facilitate an exchange community governance process in a way that the community vote for the changes or the improvements they want to see, such as the development team will follow what the community votes on. Here are some of the top few exchange tokens out there, and the top 3 are Binance Coin, Uniswap or Uni, or OKB under OKX under OKB. So these are the top 3 coins. I won't go too much on the certain coins itself or their exchanges. You can find out more by Googling them. Next we have decentralized finance coins. So there's a massive difference between decentralized finance and centralized finance, as I will touch on later on. So decentralized finance actually came about in the late 2019, but they actually saw or take a boom rise in the mid of 2020. And what their difference is that they are blockchain based form of finance that does not rely on a centralized intermediary. So what is a centralized intermediary? Like a bank or an exchange. Yes, it's a centralized intermediary. You need a centralized or an exchange to settle a certain trade. Instead, for decentralized finance, there is no such entity. It utilizes a smart contract on the platform itself, and nobody owns the smart contract. Financial services such as lending and trading of cryptos can be done on these DeFi platforms. But the problem is this: high risk and high rewards. Usually, some of these platforms offer more than 1,000 annual rate per year, but you can also risk up to 100 capital loss. So do take note of it. if you're using any decentralized finance platforms. The top 3 decentralized finance platforms or coins out there is Chainlink, Terra or Luna Coin, and Uniswap, Unicoin. The next we have is Binance Smart Chain. So this was launched by Binance itself in April 2019. The primary focus of launching their own smart chain is to facilitate fast, decentralized trading. It's kind of like an alternative to your Ethereum. It provided a cheaper transaction and faster transaction compared to Ethereum itself. So for one transaction on Ethereum can come up to about $20-$30. On the Binance Smart Chain, it can be like 20-30 cents to maybe a maximum of $1 or $2. So on the Binance Smart Chain itself, there are a top few coins that's running on the protocol. We have Binance Coin, which is BNB. We have Binance USD or BUSD as one of the stable coins released by Binance, and the automated market maker, which is PancakeSwap. It's an exactly copy, or we call it an exact copy of Uniswap itself. Next, we go into the centralized exchange tokens. So what are these centralized exchange tokens? As mentioned earlier, these are intermediaries that facilitate the trading of digital assets. They provide custodial services to hold the digital assets, pretty much like our modern or traditional stocks exchange. Some of these exchanges actually provide such services such as staking, futures trading, lending, and even options trading. They are mostly used for trading between fiat and cryptocurrencies. For the top 5, the list, this is the top 3 centralized exchange coins. We have Binance Coins as the number 1 coin, OKB as the next, and then the last we have FTX token, an upcoming one from Hong Kong. So in summary, there are more than 9,000 coins out there, and it's good to know what category the coin belongs to, as such that you can find out what are the top coins and make a comparison of why are they at the top and why a coin is somewhere at the bottom or in the middle. You can compare its competitors up, whether is it further up or further down, and figure out whether this altcoin that you are going to invest or have invested in, are they doing something better than their predecessor, or are they lagging behind? As such, you can have have more confidence and better reasons to invest in that certain altcoins. Generally, bigger market cap will have lesser volatility. So if you are investing to certain altcoins and you want to diversify your cryptocurrency portfolio, you can pick any of the top 3 altcoins in each of the category. So that's the end of my sharing today. Hope you enjoy itself, and I look forward to sharing with you in my next video.